Hey, hi, it's Jim. It's still Saturday. Second video because I've got time. A hell of a lot of you guys been asking me for so long to listen to, react to, however you want to describe this, to animals as leaders, which I haven't done. I don't know why. So I better put that right had I not. So here we go. This is CAFO. I don't know if you use CAFO. I'm not going to go through everybody's asked about this. There is literally, I think it's actually hundreds of people. So I don't really know quite how I've managed to avoid doing this. So sorry. However, here we go. Let's do this. Let's get the video up and ready. Animals as leaders. CAFO, I think it's 3, 2, 1, boop. Bloody hell. Sounds like a bass guitar, but no, it's not. Because I can't see a bass guitar in there. I suppose it's a great way to practice your rudiments, incorporate it into a track. that fading out? Don't know if that's meant to fade out on the actual thing. There we go. Yes. That's it. It's gone. It's done. Animals as leaders. CAFO. There. Blimey. That's technically rather impressive. That's what I'd say. I tried to work out. I thought it was a bass guitar. I could hear bass, but I couldn't see one. But I wonder then if that's like an 8-string bass guitar or something that the dude is playing. That's crazy. Absolutely, that's just absolutely bonkers bloody music. That it's just like all of your rudiments that you're practicing, sort of scales and arpeggios, sort of all thrown together and played as fast as you possibly can and in time and accurately, with everybody else doing exactly the same. The drummer playing all. It's just, as a technical showpiece, that is absolutely staggeringly good. Very, very good musicians. Very, very good. Could I name the tune? Would I be humming it later? I don't think I will. I can't. I couldn't pick out a discernible melody or anything in there. But I don't really necessarily think that's what that was about. It's not something you're going to be sort of humming or whistling to yourself as you're walking down the road. I appreciate it. Absolutely, I do. I think that was just, as I say, staggeringly clever, well-learnt, talented musicianship. Absolutely brilliant. I will listen to more. Of course I will. Absolutely I will. I will be seeking that out and adding it onto a playlist. I may even do another video on here about that. So Animals Elite, I'm really sorry I've not done this before. As I say, I do not know why. I absolutely have no idea. Though, the one thing annoys is, again, a fade out. Why fade a song out? If you've spent so long and can play as proficiently as that, and obviously compose a piece of music as well as that, surely you can come up with an ending. Rant over. Thank you ever so much. I really, really, really like that. Is it? Are they all their tracks? Are they instrumental? Is it? I'm guessing instrumental band. Nothing wrong with that. People in the comments saying this song has this song. It's not a song. It's not a song. By default, there is no singing. It is not a song. It is a track. Look, I'm rambling again. I shall see you guys on the next video, whenever and whatever that is. Until then, this is Jim, over and out.